now it's a good time to actually save the brush and select your size so that it's like large enough. Remember that you can activate this little checker that you want the size actually to be in the brush, which I like. I often use it, but also this is it's very, very user specific depending on how you paint and what your preferences are. Again, saving the brush is basically duplicating it with your current settings. So I click on create new brush and I call it Leafy Vista 3. So here we go, capture brush size and preset. This is what I like to have it turned on, and include the tool settings. This is basically what we would have with like the modes, the opacity, the color, and everything that is coming along with it. And what I do not like personally is to save the color, because this is something I always want to have control over. And these are things in the newer version that really make it easy to really quickly select your brushes. So if I would want to, for example, have this brush in an overlay mode, I would select it here and save it, which I already did. In this case, I'm fine just with how the settings are. So that's it. I hope you could follow along, and I see you in the next section. Bye.